just going to be showing you a really quick way how to fix any stuffed animal. Hi there, I'm April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be demonstrating on my little teddy bear here, and he's got a hole right here on his back. His hole is right here along the seam. This is going to be a real easy fix. I'm going to show you how to do a ladder stitch today. Here's what you're going to need to do this. Now typically you're going to use a thread that's going to coordinate with what you're working with. If you don't have a coordinating thread, you don't need to worry. Just use any thread that you have. With this particular stitch, you're not going to see it that much. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use green. So the first thing you do is snip off the edge of your thread. So you have a nice clean end there to work with. And then you're going to thread your needle. You're just going to take your needle and you're going to put the thread through the eye, just like that. You're going to grab that end and you're just going to pull that. Now you're just going to hold your needle and you're going to get as much thread as you need. Usually an arm's length is about right. And then you're just going to cut your thread right there. So now you've got two pieces of thread here through one eye of the needle. Here's your needle and now you've got your thread going through and they're about the same length. We're going to tie that off. If you just wrap that around your finger and you just start rolling, roll that a couple times, and then pull where the needle is. You pull that end, that's going to form a knot. There's your knot. So all you're going to do is you're going to come in at the bottom, okay? I always start from the bottom and work my way up. Take my needle underneath, start at the very bottom, bring my needle up, and I'm going to come up. You're not going to see this thread much because this is going to be inside of all of this fur. Take your needle down at the bottom where the tear ends. Bring your needle on top of the tear. On top, poke a hole, and then come back up the same side. Okay, so you can see my thread here. That's going to start the ladder stitch. There's one. I'm going to pull that a little bit. Once I pull it, though, you're going to have a hard time to see it because of the fur. You can see this is on the seam. Here's the seam. And this is starting to already roll in. It wants to do that naturally because it's already on the seam. So now we're on this side. Let's head back over to this side. It's just back and forth motion. Except we're holding this up with our finger and we're just coming in, poking down, and poking back up. Grab that needle. You can see there's a little ladder. You can see it's going back and forth like the rungs of a ladder. That's where its name is coming from. It's a ladder stitch. So now we're back to this side. We're going to poke in just above where we were stitched before. Poke in, grab a little bit, pull back up. And pull that. And you're just going to continue to do that. All right, let's do that a couple more times before we give it a little tug. Up. Just go down in and back up. If you can see this ladder here, now you're just going to pull. You're going to tug gently. You can see that all folds in nice together and you don't see it. It's really an invisible stitch. It's a really great hand sewn stitch to know how to do because you can use this on so many things and then you will never see your stitches. You're just going to continue this all the way up. Every once in a while, once you get a good piece of a ladder here, I would just pull on that to tighten that up a little bit. You can see it all pulls in. Now I'm where I want to stop and I'm going to pull this nice and tight, but carefully because you don't want to rip your thread. Pull that. Now we're going to come in, Hold your edge here so it doesn't loosen up, and you're gonna come back in and you're gonna just poke your needle in and come back out. And now you're gonna go through this piece that's on your finger here. This is gonna form your knot. You're holding this tight and you're just gonna take your needle and go right through that and pull all the way up. I'm gonna do that like 3 times right there. So I went back in again. Hold your thread up and just take your needle and go through your thread and then just pull. And one more time. That way we'll know it's nice and secure. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna hold our thread up. We're gonna come in one more time, pull that. Now just take your thread, poke it back in anywhere, bring it out anywhere, and pull it. That will bury the thread. In this particular case, you're not gonna see the thread anyway because it's so plush. Now you can go ahead and cut your thread. Now it's all sewn back together and you can't even tell where it was. And now you're gonna make somebody really happy. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.